What's up guys, Garrett with Aldan American, and today we're talking control arms. Specifically, we're talking control arms from SPC, Specialty Products Company based out of Colorado, here in the USA. So with SPC control arms, we've got a wide range. Those guys, they really specialize in alignment and alignment upgrades and really how to get your caster and camber right so you're not wearing out tires, you're getting the best ride. And these guys make some of the nicest control arms here in the country. So diving in, SPC, this is one of their lower tubular A-arms. And as you can see, beefy, tubular, stronger, lighter than the OEM lower control arms. You can also see these guys include all Delrin bushings, at least on the lowers. High-end, high performance ball joints are also included, and really nice arms for your lower control arm setup. Jumping over to the front, these guys have a patented design. They call them a switchblade arm. It's tubular, but it's their own design. And if you check it out, tons and tons of adjustment on there. You see stuff like this, race cars, where you can really adjust that arm to get the camber, the caster, the geometry that you're looking for. SPC also includes a taller ball joint. And what that's gonna do is improve the overall roll center of your setup. So if you're looking for an upper control arm that has a ton of adjustment, these are really, really cool. These lower control arms from SPC, you can run a stock shock, stock spring, you can run a lowering spring, you can also run coilovers. Something that we include that's also available on our website, aldanamerican.com, is some of the SPC lower plates. We've got some SPC versions, we have a few other brands, but what these plates do is they'll plug in to that lower control arm, and they offer a larger surface area, and they're also gonna add some height if you're looking to raise up. So pretty cool stuff there, all CNC laser cut. So rounding out, if you're looking to upgrade to a tubular A-arm or control arm style, looking for a ton of adjustability in an upper arm, SPC is a great option. So check out aldanamerican.com and check out SPC for your control arms.